A very happy new year to all my lovely friends out there. This is Megha and welcome back to my channel Crazy for Health. So let us begin this new year by making a healthy dessert for all of us. So I'm going to be showing you how to make instant coconut and jaggery laddus. This is a completely 5 to 7 minute recipe, so you do not have to put in a lot of effort. Moreover, it is very delicious. So before we get on to the video, I would request my viewers to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right next to it so you stay updated with all of my recipes. Now without any further delay, let's get on to the recipe.
To make the laddus, I'm going to take a pan and add in some ghee. I'm using very little ghee for this. Next, add in the desiccated coconut. Now since this is an instant laddu, I'm using dry coconut, but you can still use fresh coconut and make it in the same way. Now roast the coconut till it turns slightly brown. Next, add in the jaggery. I have chopped the jaggery roughly. And now turn the heat to low and keep stirring well till the jaggery melts. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the jaggery starts melting, it will combine with the coconut well. Make sure the mixture is not too soft. It should be of a medium consistency. Now add cashew and cardamom powder. I've taken around 18 to 20 cashews, some cardamom, and grinded them in a mixer. Now finally, I'm going to add a little bit of milk, just that the mixture is moist. Mix all of this together. And now the laddu mixture is ready. Take the mixture out in a plate and let it cool for some time. Next, while the mixture is still warm, grease your hands with some ghee. Take small amount of mixture, make round laddus. And now coat it with some more desiccated coconut. Now in a similar manner, make the rest of the laddus. And now the laddus are ready. They're beautiful brownish in color. They taste amazing and I'm sure you will love it.